Did you know that on the other side of failure is your success? Failure often feels like a dead end, a place where dreams stop and doubts grow. But a lot of your failure is in here. It's in your mind. It's believing that you're not good enough, that you're not worthy, that you don't deserve it, that there's other people that are better than you, that you just don't have what it takes to move you forward. So when we look at failure, we need to understand that even though failure is a thing, most people in history have shown that failure is not the opposite of success, but it's a critical part of the journey as you move forward. Understanding how to face failure and using it as a stepping stone can change the way you approach challenges and or goals throughout your life. But it's up to you. How many of you have ever heard of Garnet Garnet Morgan? Garnet Morgan was an African American inventor, and in 1916 he created the traffic light that we know today, the three light traffic light. So red, yellow, and green, that was created by him. He also created the first gas mask. And again, this was in 1916. So think of the things that African American men or African Americans as a whole were going through in 1916. Yet this man found a way to succeed. He found a way to have success. He found a way to produce and develop two life saving devices that are still in use today.